Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, an interesting delivery from eBay. We got 4 inches of snow last night, so I was really surprised that this showed up. Anyway, this is a complete Marx 666 set, minus the track that I found on eBay. I was the only bidder on this, $10. So just wanted to do an unboxing video on this. It's in the original box, and it looks like they actually took some time to ship this rather well. You'll see. So, oh God. Oh no. A veritable mess of peanuts. Hold on. I hate styrofoam peanuts. And there's a ton of them in here too. Anyway, see if I can get this unpacked without making an absolute mess. Well, it's packed well, no doubt. Anyway, as I said, I found this on eBay for 10 bucks, Mark 666. Hold on, I need another box. It is complete, including the transformer, but no track. Anyway, 10 bucks on eBay. I was the only bidder on this. If I can get it out of here. I hate these things. They work, but what do you do with them? That's the problem. All right. Like I said, this is in the original box. It's actually quite heavy, but got it for $10 and $12 to ship it. All right. I didn't know it was going to be packed this way. Hold on a minute. All right. All right, good enough. Let's see what we have here. Oops. All right, that's better. Get this out of the way. Like I said, I was really surprised that this even showed up today. Lots of snow on the ground. All right, let's see what we have here. Well, they did a good job of wrapping it. There's no doubt about that. Even has the original transformer. As you see, the transformer by itself is worth 10 bucks. All right, let me bring this camera in a bit. Let's see what we have here. So, I don't even know where to start. Start there. All right, so the complete set minus the track. Let's see. This is the locomotive. Now this is a non-smoking 666. Whether it runs, I have no idea. This thing is actually freezing cold. It is 12 degrees here today. All right, there's the 666. Wow. And it is a smoker. Wow, I didn't think it was. All right, so the locomotive. This appears to be a gondola. This is all tilt, 4-wheel trucks. A flat car. Wow. This is the caboose. It appears. Alright, caboose has a broken corner. But I saw that in the photographs. So this must be the tender. And it is. So, alright, got it unpacked. So I got the transformer and the entire Marx original set. Slope back tender, all tilt of course. And in really, really decent condition except for that broken corner on the caboose. So, let me put the locomotive on the outside rail. Like I said, this stuff is freezing cold. Let me pull the camera off the tripod. We'll take a look at this. Now, it's been painted, as you can see. But it's actually been painted fairly well. Get this to focus. There we go. All right. It's in actually really, really decent condition. Or it looks to be in really decent condition. It is a smoker, front and rear trucks. There is some oxide on it, so it's been sitting for a considerable amount of time. It is a smoker, and it is in really, really decent condition. The question is, of course, will it run? Let me get this tripod out of the way. And pull locomotive off the outside rail so we can use it. Okay, so Marx 666 complete set with a transformer. No track. $10 on eBay. Power is on. Let's see what happens. It runs forward and it runs backwards. Now this thing is really, really cold. I mean, it is really cold. So what I need to do, of course, is oil it and let it warm up. So I got the locomotive, the slope back tender, which has also been painted, as you see. A gondola, and of course these are all tilt four-wheel trucks. Don't know what's going on here. Flat car. Well, none of the couplers appear to be broken. And of course, the caboose. Now, the caboose has a broken corner. No doubt about that. So, I can probably just throw another body on this. But anyway, one thing I wanted to stress. Don't overlook the junk. I got this complete set for $10 and $12 to ship it with the original transformer in the original box. No track, of course, but anyway, I saw this. I couldn't pass it up. And as you see, this was definitely worth the $10. The transformer by itself is worth $10. So, excuse me, a Marx 666 that's been repainted, but it's actually been repainted quite well, as you can tell. They've even painted the wheels. And a slope back tender, flat car, gondola, and caboose. The complete original set with the transformer, $10. Really, really difficult to beat that. So let me pull this or push this out of the way. This is starting to warm up now. Getting some wheel spark, so it's dirty. It's been sitting for a long time, there's no doubt about that. But once this is warmed up and lubricated, this is going to obviously run perfectly. The headlight is out. And this has not run in a long time. You can tell by the oxide on the contactor. But it's definitely running, so was it worth $10? You tell me. So this is actually in really, really decent shape. That motor is really tight, but it's also really, really cold. Like I said, it's 12 degrees outside today. So the Marx 666, slope back tender, flat car, gondola, and caboose, $10 with the transformer. Folks, I gotta say it, don't overlook the junk. Why no one else bid on this, I have no idea at all. $10. And when I saw this, I was really, really curious about it. And went ahead and made the bid, and here it is. I sent the guy a message and asked him, please wrap this well so it arrives in good condition. And obviously he did. No doubt about this. How he could afford to ship this for $12 with all that wrapping in that extra box, I have no idea. But I also got the original Marx box for it. So the transformer, will test that, but I can almost guarantee you that it will work. The cord is intact. It has not been moved in years and years and years, but I can almost guarantee you that that transformer is going to work. So the 666 has been repainted, but it's been repainted really, really well, as you see. Somebody took some time to do this. Slope back tender has been painted as well. Flat car, gondola, and caboose. The only thing wrong with this is that broken corner. But I can pull the body off of this and just replace the body. And you have a complete Marx 666 original set, smoking 666, with the transformer for $10. I mean, how do you beat that? And why was I the only bidder on this? It just seems absolutely incredible. Anyway, here it is. I got this, I don't know, probably 6 days ago, something like that. And like I said, it was due today, but I wasn't really expecting it to arrive. We got 4 inches of snow. It's 12 degrees outside. And yet, here it is, found it on the side porch. And anyway, did the unboxing, just wanted to do a quick video on this. As you can see, any one of these cars is worth what I paid for this entire set. So the transformer, I'm sure the transformer will work. I have absolutely no doubt about that. The locomotive is already running. It needs a headlight. I got to test the smoker. First thing I got to do is let it warm up, lubricate it, run it a bit, and then take it from there. Once it's up and running well, then I'll test the smoker. But I'll do a video on that. But as you can see, this was worth $10. There is absolutely no doubt about that. You find these cars on eBay that cost as much as that, more than that sometimes. The transformer is worth more than $10. The locomotive itself is worth more than $10. The parts in the locomotive, if you piece this all out, worth $100. It's just in parts. And it is complete. The only thing that I found so far is the headlight doesn't work. And that's a 2-minute job to replace that. But as you see, this is a really decent looking Mark 666 that someone actually took some time with and repainted. And repainted it rather well. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. So once this warms up, I'll do a follow-up video, get it up and running, and lubricate it, get that headlight replaced, and then we'll test the smoker. But as you can see, it was definitely worth the $10. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.